Turban Loc fam, I hope you all are doing well and you all are airy. I am so happy to be doing this video because I'm so happy to be doing this video. One thing I really like about this Loc channel is that you keep learning new things every single day, and I think this is can qualify to be a DIY, I guess. And I know many people are scared of putting dreadlocks because they think that there's nothing interesting that you can do, and I guess I'm here to change that. Yeah. So I'm gonna be showing you how to do some really simple turban head wrap styles that I got from the internet, and I'm here on the internet trying to show you guys. Yeah, let's do this. So first things first, I'm gonna moisturize my dreadlocks. I don't want them being dry and being damp, stinky. And I'm gonna do that with the Marine Naturals Daily Spritz. If you know me well and you know me since my journey with Marine Naturals, you know that I love that Daily Spritz. This is just heaven, and the new and improved one is amazing. It smells so good. It has rose water and glycerin. So I'm gonna just quickly spray my hair with this. Oh, by the way, the spritz makes your hair not itch. It helps with itchiness. So if you are a dreaded head and you suffer with an itchy scalp, especially like a week or two after wash days, just try it out and let me know how it works out for you. So the first head wrap style that I'm gonna show you guys is very simple. A lot of dreadheads like it because it's just easy for when your hair has gotten so much growth and you're not about to go to the salon, you've just washed it. So it's very simple and it's my least favorite, and I'm just gonna show you how to do it, yeah? So this is pretty much it. I love it. It looks very nice, and you can pair it up with some cute little earrings so that it brings some, you know. So next up, I called it the side bun wrap, and I really like having my hair all up in my face. So this one is gonna have my hair all up in my face. So first, I'm gonna tie the back of my hair just a bit so that I can be able to. I'm gonna tie it very loosely. One thing I like about this style is that it reminds me of the 90s and the vibe that was being given by like if you just watch those music videos, I mean, it just looks really cool. So you can either do a bow up here, a side bow, a middle one, or you can just tuck them up in and make sure it's tight enough so that it doesn't fall off in the middle of the day when you're walking or running from the rain. And I just really like it. I actually like it. It's my second least fave though. Yeah, so we're going down, up. So next up, I don't know if it's my second fave or my fave, so these last two ones, you're gonna pick for me which one is the best. So let's get right into it. So I really like this one. I really like it because I feel like it looks pro, but it's that simple, and I like that it shows my dreads and shows that I have dreads inside here. And I paired them up with this African beads earrings that I got from my mom. I really love it. I look like such an African woman. I hope you guys like this one. It's called a twist out because I did a twist before tucking them in. Let's move on now. So lastly, I'm gonna show you one that I call the folder. And one thing that I forgot to tell you about head wraps is that they're very easy. You don't have to go and specifically buy a certain cloth for it. You can just use your own scarves, your own DIY material, anything that you can make work, just use it. Yeah, so let's get right into it. So this is the final look, and I really like it, especially because of the trick. I always see people with head wraps and I'm like, how did they even achieve that? And it's just like 2 folds and that's it. So you can use this for a bad hair day and you just want to cover up your dreads and still look good. So this is the final one. It kind of looks like those big Rastafarian ones that they tie and only reveal on certain days. Ooh. So I really hope you guys love this video because I had fun shooting it, and I hope you have learned something new. Make sure to comment and tell me which one you liked best, and if you'd want to see more of videos like this, make sure you let me know. And remember to subscribe, like, and share and comment on this video. Thank you so much, it's been fun. Bye!